Hello there. Today we will use a tiny and simple tool to check bad sectors in a pen drive. To see if your pen drive is healthy or not, this video will help you a lot. Go to Google and download Validrive. This is a small tool. Click on Check USB drive. Now, insert the pen drive you have. The pen drive is detected. Click on Validate this drive. It will start validating the pen drive and will automatically do the rest. As you can see the red dots. This pen drive is not used for so many years and also not branded. It's almost dead. The validation is finished. Click on Close to see the detailed information. The red dots recommends not to use this pen drive. This may be unusual all on a sudden. So, this is how you can check if any pen drive has bad sectors or not. Hope you liked it and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.